Numerical question number 2 is girls. Numerical question number 2 is given in your book on page number 2, girls. Numerical question number 2 is an angstrom. Okay, girls, angstrom is the unit of length. Okay, angstrom is the unit of length, and you know it very well, bache, that the SI unit of length is meter. Okay, but it is also the unit of length. And angstrom symbol A is the unit of length commonly used in atomic physics, defined as 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. It's mean, girls, that 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Okay, which is the of order of diameter of an atom. Okay. In part A, girls, how many nanometer are in 1 angstrom? In part A, we will calculate how many nanometer are in 1 angstrom. Okay. In part B, girls, how many femtometer or Fermis, the common unit of length in nuclear physics. Okay, this unit is commonly used in nuclear physics, are in 1 angstrom. In part B, we will calculate that there are how many femtometer are in 1 angstrom. Okay, and girls, in part C, we will calculate how many angstrom are in 1 meter. Okay, so girls, for this numerical, as you can see, girls, that this is the conversion of units. Okay, so for conversion of units, first we properly arrange data, solution, and then we will find then we will find the answer. Okay, so it's numerical question number 2, girls, and numerical question number 2, part A. Okay, length in angstrom is given. Okay, 1 angstrom is equal to what? That is equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Okay, and length in nanometer is equal to x. Okay, mean we will convert this meter in nanometer. Okay, solution, as we know that, girls, 1 nano is equal to what? In table of prefixes, as I told you, 10 nano is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9. Okay, so 1 nanometer is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter is equal to this. Okay, and girls, 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter is equal to how much nanometer? Okay, so length in nanometer is equal to x. Okay, again, girls, by cross multiplication we get x multiplied by 1 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter is equal to 1 nanometer multiplied by 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Okay, for finding the value of x, divide 1 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter on both sides. Okay, so when we divide 1 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter on both sides, girls, so this value 1 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter cancel. Okay, here first we cancel the unit, so meter cancel. X is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. So 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10 nanometer divided by 1 into 10 raised to power minus 9. Okay, so x is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter, and when we move this denominator toward numerator, so power of 10 will be positive. Okay, power of 10 will be changed, so sign will be changed. Okay, so 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10 plus 9 plus minus minus. Okay, so plus minus minus, 10 minus 9 is equal to 1, and sign will be negative. So x is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 1 nanometer. Girls, when the power of 10 is 1 plus 1 or minus 1, so girls, we will convert this value in simple notation. Okay, how we can convert? We can, if we 10 raised to power minus 1 is equal to 0.1 nanometer. Okay, suppose value is 0.1 nanometer. When we convert this value in standard form, so decimal will place after first non-zero digit. 1 is first non-zero digit, so value is 1 into 10 raised to power. Number of digit between the initial position of decimal and new position of decimal. As you can see that there is only one digit. So power of 10 will be 1. And according to Lars, when we move the decimal toward right side, so power of sign will be negative. Okay. So length in nanometer is equal to 0.1 nanometer. Okay. So a result, length in nanometer is equal to 0.1 nanometer. Okay. Now girls, data for part B. And data for part B, again we will convert this meter in femtometer. Okay, because as you can see in question that how many femtometer or farmers, the common unit of length in nuclear physics, are in 1 angstrom. It's mean now we will convert 1 angstrom in femtometer, and 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Okay, so again first we arrange the data. So length in angstrom is equal to 1 angstrom is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, and length in femtometer is equal to unknown. Okay, mean x. Okay, solution girls, as we know that 1 femtometer, femto is equal to what, in table of prefixes as I told you, femto is equal to 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. Okay, and x is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. As I told you in previous lecture bache, that same units are always written at same side. Okay, so again girls, by cross multiplication we get x multiplied by 1 into 10 raised to power minus 15 meter is equal to 1 femtometer multiplied by 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Okay, for finding the value of x, divide 1 into 10 raised to power minus 15 meter on both sides. Okay, so 1 into 10 raised to power minus 15 meter cancel girls, and here meter cancel. So value x is equal to what, that is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, 10 raised to power minus 10, and remaining unit is femtometer, divided by girls 1 into 10 raised to power minus 50. Okay, so again we here we will shift this denominator toward numerator. Okay, so when we shift this denominator toward numerator, so power of 10 will be plus 15. Okay, so x is equal to girls 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10 femtometer multiplied by 10 raised to power 15 plus minus 10 plus 15 femtometer. So plus minus minus. So 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Okay, and sign is positive. So x is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power plus 5 femtometer. So length in femtometer is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power 5 femtometer.